blue jay that fell out of the tree. It's so sad. And now we're taking care of him, and he's hungry. Oh God.
Beautiful baby bird. Guys, look at this. We found him in our yard. Probably he fell from his nest. So we are going to take him to a special place where they can care of him.
We couldn't resist giving him some bird food as he was very hungry. We later read that it was a bit risky to feed him.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Come here, buddy. You're gonna get more help, okay? Don't let him jump, okay?
Well, we finally took this baby blue jay bird to this Humane Society Wildlife Center, a place where they receive this kind of animals to give them help to survive and then return them to their wild habitat as soon as possible.